right now on Mercedes Pools.
Look at what's coming up next, and then we'll dive right into it. Hey guys, this is Art. He's over at our distributor over at Noble Tile, and we've been working together almost, I don't know, 18 to 20 years. That's where we get all our material for tile and setup and everything. Here today we're going to talk about how to manually turn on your hot tub if you do not have an automated system. You can upgrade to an automated system on almost any of them so that you can operate your hot tub from your phone, turn your hot tub on while you're at a restaurant or at a friend's house, birthday party, and you're just ready to relax. You can upgrade this system right here. But for today's purpose, we're going to turn this on today, just the hot tub only. This fine crafted unit right there. Pentair Master Temp, one of the best heaters on the market. All right, so here we go, guys. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your time tripper is off. If this turns off while you're in the hot tub, not only is it going to turn off your jets, it's going to turn off your heater and you're going to do damage to it. So make sure that the tripper is off. Next thing you want to do is turn on the pump. Make sure your pump is running. How do we know the pump is running? Right here, we have around 20 psi. So that's how you know it's running. The next thing we're going to want to do is right here at this particular pump. This is the suction side. Anytime you have this in front of the pump, it's called your suction side. You can see we're on the pool suction. We're going to turn this around just like that, and that is going to be your spa suction. So we're now sucking from the spa. The next thing we want to do is move over here to the return side. This is the return coming out of the heater. You can see right now we're going to the pool right here. So we're going to turn this around this way, and that is going to be your spa. So let me get to where you can see both right here. There is your spa suction. So this whole entire thing is your spa side. So the single side right here is the spa suction. That's where your handle will face. The other side is the pool side. And then we're going to go right here. This is your return side. So your handle is going to face towards the spa. The other side is the pool. So once you have those two situated and you're in spa mode, we're going to go to the heater right here. This is again a Pentair Master Temp. We're going to push spa on, and we're going to put this baby on up to 104. We like it real hot out here in Texas. Okay, so now we're at 104, guys. We're going to get this thing cooking. We got this a-rolling. This is the blower for your hot tub. So you want to run it, 30, 40 minutes, then you can turn it on, turn it off. I wouldn't run it more than an hour at a time, but it makes a great entertainment for your pool, for your spa. All right, so let's go to the spa now and let's see how she's looking. The spa is heating up and looking fabulous. Look at that beautiful pool. That is a gorgeous pool. You guys let me know what you think. All learn how to turn on just your pool heat all by itself to heat up your pool for the spring. The very first thing you want to do is open up your timer. This is pretty much a standard timer right here. You want to take this tripper for the off tripper off completely. Once you've got that done, all your valves will be in the pool mode. So what we're looking at right here is in front of the pump, that's on pool suction. And you want to make sure that this one right here is on pool return. So we have some going through the pool jets, and the other one, so this one, that's your pool jets. This one right here is for your fountain in your spa. So those are both open, so we're going to be heating both. So the next thing you're going to do is come right here to your heater. This is a Pentair Master Temp. So we're going to hit the pool on. Let me turn the pool back on. We're going to run this thing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week until you're done heating it. So you do not want to shut it off with the heater running. You will damage the plumbing and damage the heater. So you will turn on the pool heater right here. Set this thing right there to 87 degrees. All right, so let's go back over and let's shut it on down. So the first thing you got to remember when you're shutting it down is to leave the pump running after you've shut off the heater. The reason being is if you don't run it and cool the heater down, you will do damage to the heater. So you never want to shut the pump off. So the first thing we're going to do is shut the heater off with that button right there. So this thing needs to cool down for at least 30 to 40 minutes on a hot tub. If you did the pool, you want to let it cool down for about 3 hours. For today's video, so what we're going to do is go ahead and we turn that pump off. We can turn these valves back. So this is, remember, the return valves coming off the heater. So we're going to turn that back the other way. So this is the spa side. This is your pool side. So the handle will face towards the pool side. So this is your pool return. This one is for your spa fountain. If you want to adjust the spa fountain height, this is the one you use. So you turn this up and down, and that'll adjust the height of your fountain. This is your suction side in front of the pump right here. So we're going to turn this back the other way. So this is your spa side right here. And this is the pool side. So this one right here is your main drain. This is your skimmers right here. So now we're back in pool mode. So for pool mode, it should look exactly like this. So that one right there is facing towards the pool side right here. And then this one is facing towards the pool side here. This being your suction side, the other is your return side. Then the next thing you want to do is make sure you put your tripper back on so that it will resume. Well, we're going to put the tripper right here, right back onto the clock. So the clock is back on. All right, now it's ready for regular mode. Thanks guys for tuning in today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed how to manually turn your hot tub on, heat it up, having a great time, and cool it on down and shut it down and return it back to regular mode. All right guys, we'll see you on the next one.